I am back today in the junk dump garage with a 1970 Oldsmobile 455, and today I'm going to be installing a vintage Torker intake manifold on that engine. What I'm going to start off doing is putting the RTV silicone in the corners where it's called for, and this is probably one of, I think, 2 places that I'll use RTV silicone in an engine. And again, you have to be really careful with it. You don't want to glob it on. You don't want to have pieces of that where it can break off and get into oil passages. I've seen a lot of engines ruined by the overuse and incorrect use of RTV silicone. So for these ends, when you put these end gaskets on, they're rubber, it calls for at the joints, and that's where all RTV really works well, is sealing up those joints. Now with this manifold, the inner bolts are really tight. It's extremely hard to get to. They have the 12-point star heads on them, which helps, but there's no way to get a socket on them, so you end up having to use a box wrench to get in there. And I have a feeling that's probably a big reason why they stopped making this manifold, because it's so hard to torque them into place.